Hi everyone, this is Tim Vetter with Fiat Chrysler Automotive with another workflow best practice to share. Thanks for watching. This video will identify scan locations, how to turn them on and off, and how to isolate a single scan. To display all the different scan locations, if you hover over this box, you'll get a small thing, but if you click on it, you can get this to display so that you can work with it. You can select these individually. As you can see, they highlight, turn on and off just simply by clicking on them. If you hold down the Alt key, you can isolate the single scan on its own. I can also click on other scan locations. If I go to any scan and hit Alt click, I can bring them all back. What you can do, you can take scans, you can drag them into each other. You can give it a scan location group. I'll call this Tim. Obviously any name will do. And you can turn complete groups on and off. And you'll also notice that if you hold down the Control key and select on that group, it will just keep the group of scans active. I can Alt click another one and they all come back. Let's try another variation. I'm going to Alt click that scan, which will hide everything else. I'm going to turn that one on, and then I'm going to hold down the Alt key and select another scan, and they all come back on. Now what I cannot do when manipulating all of these scan locations is if I turn a scan, I'll turn them all on. If I want to just select multiple scans and turn them all off at the same time, I do not have that ability. In other words, in the layer dialog box for AutoCAD, I'm able to select a scan. I can shift click down here and I can basically turn them all on or off. This capability would be very helpful if Autodesk can program that in. But as you can see, if I select this scan and I hold down the Shift key to go down here, I simply do not have the ability to select multiple scan locations at the same time.